Sealey SMS2107 wet and dry bench grinder and sharpener. The SMS2107 is powered by a 250 watt induction motor, making it the perfect addition to your workshop for sharpening tools and knives. It features a 200mm sharpening whetstone with an adjustable flow rate water bath and drain outlet. The water helps to prevent sparks and keeps your workpiece cooler, preventing damage caused by overheating on delicate items such as fine knives, chisels and scissors. A 125mm diameter dry stone with eye shield guard and fixed tool rest. This is ideal for general sharpening such as chisels and cleaning off workpieces prior to welding. It also has an adjustable angle tool rest and an additional tool clamp featuring a protractor gauge for use where more accurate sharpening is required. The Sealey SMS2107 wet and dry bench grinder and sharpener. Another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range.
There's nothing like a pressure washer for deep cleaning build-up dirt and grime. But what if you need to clean where an ordinary pressure washer won't reach? Briggs & Stratton has the answer. A pressure washer with our breakthrough POWERflow Plus technology. POWERflow Plus gives you all the high pressure you expect for deep cleaning projects. Plus, it gives you high flow cleaning to reach further or clean delicate surfaces. Now, you could reach the second story and wash your deck, your patio furniture, or even a delicate glass tabletop. POWERflow Plus works with the powerful Briggs & Stratton engine to deliver high-pressure deep cleaning. And when you engage POWERflow Plus, it delivers twice the amount of water with less pressure. Best of all, you control it from here with just one nozzle.
Take outdoor cleaning to a whole new level. POWERflow Plus technology gives you both high pressure and high flow washing. With high flow, you can apply soap faster and even reach the second story. Find your local retailer by going to PowerflowPlus.com. Buy your Briggs & Stratton pressure washer today. Now available nationwide.
Introducing the new Craftsman 42cc gas chainsaw, the fastest cutting chainsaw in its class. Compared to the competition, this chainsaw has up to 48% more teeth to give you the extra bite you need to reduce cutting time. Its mighty 42cc engine gives you the strength and speed you need when tackling those heavy-duty yard projects. And it features a simple starting system that lets you get started with ease and gets you cutting fast. The reduced vibration technology on the unit isolates the handle and absorbs vibration so you're free to concentrate on getting the job done fast. The Craftsman 42cc gas chainsaw. The fastest chainsaw in its class, giving you what you need to get the job done. Right now. Craftsman, trust in your hands.
Introducing the M18 brushless threaded rod cutter from Milwaukee Tool, providing the most control, nut-ready cuts. The M18 brushless threaded rod cutter with optimized blade geometry delivers burr-free cuts with no chips and no sparks. Featuring a 1.5-inch built-in trim length design, the threaded rod cutter's one-handed center grip delivers uniform controlled overhead cuts. In addition, the threaded rod cutter offers the clearest line of sight for the most accuracy. Our Red Link electronics allows the jaw to auto-retract back to home after each cut. To get nut-ready cuts every time, begin by holding the rod against the fixed lower jaw of the tool. Then, pull the trigger until the cut is complete, and the jaw automatically releases back to the home position. The M18 brushless threaded rod cutter from Milwaukee Tool, providing the most control, nut-ready cuts.
Ready to go brushless? Introducing the new RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt brushless hammer drill driver. Get up to 50% more runtime from the energy-efficient brushless motor. And up to 25% better performance, delivering 750 inch-pounds of torque. Brushless motors use less wearable parts, extending the tool life and making the drill 25% more compact. Unlike other brushless hammer drills, this drill is packed with all the pro features you expect from RYOBI. Drill, drive, and hammer modes. Half-inch all-metal keyless chuck. Trigger-activated LED with delay feature. Belt clip, mag tray, and get more done before recharging with a 4 amp-hour battery. It's the only pro-featured brushless hammer drill at an affordable RYOBI price. Just another great addition to the RYOBI 1 Plus system of over 70 tools.